A lambda is just an unnamed function. One expression, one line, no def, no name. That's the whole definition. The reason you see them everywhere. 5 real cases coming up. Lambda functions show up in 5 places more than anywhere else. Sorted with a key, filter, max and min, and pandas.apply or .map. All take a function as an argument. When that function is tiny and one-off, a full def feels heavy. Lambda lets you write it in line. We'll walk all 5 on a tiny prices table, and then the gotcha that breaks every beginner's first attempt. Let's break down what a lambda function actually is, and where it earns its keep. Open nvim. Save as lambda_examples.py. 1 import pandas. Section 1. A lambda is just an unnamed function. Lambda x colon x times x is identical to def square x colon return x times x. Same behavior. Section 2. The canonical case, sorted with key equals lambda. A list of tuples sorted by the second element. Lambda lets you write that one-line key in line. Section 3. Pandas.apply. The lambda gets called once per cell. Format every price as a dollar string, or bucket every price as big or small. Section 4. Filter. Keep elements where the lambda returns truthy. Same shape, one expression, returns a boolean called once per element. Section 5. Max with a key. Same key pattern as sorted. Min works the same way. Section 6 is the limit. A lambda body is exactly one expression. No statements, no return keyword, no multi-line bodies. The moment you need more than one expression, switch to def. Save and run. All 6 sections produce the expected output. Lambda where it fits, def where it doesn't. That's the whole rule. Three things to take away. First, a lambda is just an unnamed one-expression function. Lambda x colon x times x is the same as a one-line def. No faster, no slower, just inline and unnamed. Second, the 5 places lambdas earn their keep are sorted. Filter, max and min, and pandas.apply or .map. All take a function as an argument and call it many times. Third, lambdas are exactly one expression. Need a statement or multiple lines? Switch to def. Don't cram more into the Lambda. Like, subscribe, comment, and share if this helped. Subscribe to the playlist for more Python answers.